I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Guys, I'm at Home Depot. Got to get some more hardware. Got some more electrical stuff going on at home. And I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys some rather, I guess, inexpensive options for toolkits. Some really cool stuff. Some traditional things that you'd expect at a non-traditional price point, I think. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around and let's show you some of these mobile tool carts. Maybe you will want something like this in your facility. Some pretty good prices on them. Let's do it. All right, first off, if you're looking for a work surface and a mobile tool cart, we have these ones at $700. Double ball bearings. They handle quite a bit of weight. And actually, you know something, that drawer is pretty sturdy. So for $700, these ones here are nice if you're equipping a shop, but we all know that equipping a shop is only a piece of the puzzle. Getting out there and being mobile is another piece. So get two reasonable sized drawers here. It's two medium drawers and one smaller drawer at the top. It's locked at the moment. $2.99. Not so bad. So these ones here all suffer from something that I really dislike, and that is the stationary casters. Okay. I dig the swivel casters, and in our kind of atmospheres that we're going to be working, having 4 swivel casters is usually a pretty big benefit. So I was taking a look around here, and I really dig these ones. Like, again, I wish it had the 4 swivel casters. It's got stationary, which makes it easier pushing down a whole way. However, this one has a lockable top. See it? And I really like this because you can have your meters and stuff, the stuff that you use all the time, right here on the top, staged and ready to go. And on many of these, they have like electrical stuff, but you can also have your drivers and whatnot right here in the top. Lock, unlock all your drawers from the midpoint. 2 upper drawers. They don't have the easy close bearings or anything, as if you should expect that. There we go. Not so bad. Got a little bolstering strip right there in the middle, and a reasonable capacity underneath. $250, guys. It's actually nice. This little locking mechanism here, I say you're probably not going to use it that often. However, gas strut lift assist, $250. Large, what, 5-inch casters? Maybe 6-inch casters, but they're the wide ones, so they go over things nice and easily. They're locking casters, of course. However, let's take it up a notch. Here's the new DeWalt roll-around toolbox. These ones are pretty cool. They are kind of expensive. You know, this one, you can mix and match and build your own set, which is really cool. I really dig that. 4 swivel casters, locking casters, right? Yeah. So locking swivel casters, that's already a huge plus. The fact that you can mix and match your toolkit or the size of your drawers and stuff, that's pretty big. It's huge. And actually, these drawers are buttery smooth, guys. Take a look at that. And let's see. They show you basically how you can outfit the kit. You can get hanging cartons for the side, hang your tools on the side, which of course that's what I would do. This is very similar to the Milwaukee pack out. It's got the worktop, very similar. I don't know, I think these drawers are way wider than the Milwaukee set. Milwaukee is like out to here, and that means that this one's what, 3 to 4 inches wider. That does give your cart a little bit of stability when you're moving it around. These ones have these little latches, so instead of sliding them and locking them on dovetails, these ones here have interlocks on the corners. Overall, it locks firmly into place. It's got grab handles on the sides, and it's got rails. Some good stuff. You can tie stuff down, whatnot. This work surface is actually pretty cool. I dig that they put some patterns in here so for your angles and whatnot. Not that we'd use it that often, but this parts tray right here does have some weep holes, so in case you put something that's liquid up there, it will weep out instead of sitting pooling right here. Look at this, got cup holders. Are these also weep holes? Or they're probably just guide pins for stacking. Yeah. So this whole entire kit, as it's parted out here, so we got 189, 300, 300, 329, so we got 1100, let's say 1200 and something. But for 1200 and some dollars, you have a toolkit. That, so if you're guiding it, you can put your foot there to kind of ease it up and help it out. Got a forecaster, rugged as hell toolkit, 1,300 bucks. It's definitely cheaper than some of the $4,000 and $5,000 options I've seen out there on the market. And you can custom make, mix and match. Now, is it as aesthetic as some of the other options? I would say these ones here are more aesthetic. However, the fact that you can mix and match your drawers, so if you have like certain types of consumables and stuff in these drawers, let's say you're doing PMs on anesthesia or something, you can have your partitions put out, all your parts in there, your test equipment in the bottom, and that could be your anesthesia test cart. Kind of a cool option. $1,300, not so bad. But there are many affordable options out there, guys. Just to be aware of that. So 250 bucks. This Husky cart right here is also a pretty good deal from the looks of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue exploring. Let's see if we can find some other good stuff here. I haven't been to Home Depot in probably a few months, and so there's a lot of things that have changed. Look at all the Milwaukee Packout stuff. Still one of my favorite systems, of course. And there's a rigid line down there, so maybe I'll check out the rigid line next. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.